Hi and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you one of my personal favourites in terms of sides, and that is a potato salad. Now this is a really simple dish, but oh my god is it beautiful and flavoursome. Oh, I just love it. Let's get to it. So this dish is really simple and surprisingly it's probably one of the most requested things I get. So the ingredients in today's recipe are really simple. We've got new potatoes, mayonnaise, salt and pepper and some chives. That is it, is that simple. So with the new potatoes, which have been boiled with a little bit of salt, please don't forget the salt, it adds a lot to this. And as you can see, they've just been cooked until they're tender. And you can tell they're tender by just getting a knife into them and you probe into the potato, and if it goes in nice and easily, then you know they're cooked. That's when you know it's time to take them off the heat, drain them, and then put them back over the saucepan just to drain and cool down a little bit. Now with these potatoes, you can use them when they're still warm, so you can have a warm potato salad, but do be a little bit careful. If they're too hot, when you add the mayonnaise to it, it will split the mayonnaise. But these are completely cooled down. So I've got myself a clean bowl here. So the important step that I do is once I cut these into what I call mouse-sized pieces, because you don't want them too big, is I would do them a third at a time. So when I've roughly gone through a third of what all the potatoes I've got, and there's a kilo here at the moment, then I will pause and I will do the following steps. And it's really important that you do these steps. So if you did all of the potatoes and then did this at the end, you wouldn't get a thorough mix of the ingredients through the potato salad, and that's what makes it so special. So we've got a third of our potatoes here. We get your favourite mayonnaise, squidge that everywhere. Get a decent coating for that, and then we will get our chives. So these are fresh out of the garden. I'm lucky I've got a little herb garden that I keep going, and all you can do, and this is really quite simple, just get a pair of scissors and just give it an haircut. So we're looking for tiny little pieces. We don't want too big because chives are part of the onion family, and even though they're very subtle in their flavour, what you don't want to do is bite into a big bit of chive. So when we feel that we've got that decent amount of chives on there, and I think that's a good amount for the first part. So get a spoon and just mix that up. And then you get some salt and pepper and just give it a few cracks over those potatoes. And then we do that again, so we do that another 2 or 3 times. So add a little bit of potatoes, cut them up into bite-sized bits, then we add our mayonnaise, then we add our chives, give it a little bit of mix, salt and pepper, and repeat until we've done everything. And that's the first, our final stage. So I've added all the potatoes, more mayonnaise, more chives, bit of salt and pepper, give it a thorough mix, and then we're done. And there we have it, a beautiful potato salad. Please do not miss out any of those steps. That layered process of doing the potato, the mayonnaise, the chives and the salt and pepper in each of those layers is the key to this, making this beautiful potato salad. I hope you enjoy it. So thanks very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave any comments, any thoughts or any ideas down below. I will always respond to somebody taking the time to reach out to me. Don't also forget to like and subscribe to the channel.